Hello, Matty. This is a video crafted by yours specially, just for you. So yeah, we have two gas opener. I don't know if this is what I would play in a thingy, but you could also play the free racks build order that you learned. So yeah, I was looking away for a second, but usually you'd start a worker now. So this is a bit delayed, but yeah. I didn't do any splits. I'd have done splits, but I did nothing. So here we go. In the top left, I'll put all the stuff for you, so that you can do everything. But yeah, hold on, let me restart again. Let me just show you something. Yeah, you start off with SCV first. I make control group, like you can see there. And then you see the arrow? As you just saw it, it was stuck on the mineral line. Then it moved up here, because that's where I want the SCV to go. So I'll queue another SCV here. And then the one that's coming up will go over here. This will stay here. I'll move it back to the mineral line, so back to the mineral line. And then this SCV will, at 100 supply, at 14 out of 15, will make my first supply depot. And then you make another worker. And after this you'll make another worker, but that will come. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Make a worker, and then I instantly queue up a barracks. Hold on. Okay, it just finished. I queue up a worker. So now we have this one, and then when it says 16 out of 23, once I have the minerals, I instantly queue up a barracks. There you go. And then here, I didn't do it right because I wasn't sure if it was double gas, but I would make a make a gas here with this worker. But I didn't. I did a bit late because I wasn't sure. You would queue another worker. Now you'd queue another worker, and then you would start making the other gas. I did it a bit wrong, but I don't think you understand. So it would be, this gas would be 16 supply, this gas would be 17 supply. And this carries on where it is. This is just a 1-1 build order. This is all you want here. So it'd be 1 barracks, 1 factory. I never played this start game, but okay, so now we're here. With these type of builds, you would want 2 in each gas. So just before this gas finishes, you see me pull this worker into here. And then same on the other side, you see me pull one of the workers into the gas. So now I have 2 on each side, and I have 12 minerals.
SCV ready.
Now this should be almost done. So I'll wait for this to finish before making it into an orbital, but with this one, I'll make it into an SCV. So, not an SCV, supply depot. So as soon as it finishes, I started a marine here. You can, I would start a marine here too, if I were you. You could also start with a reaper, but that would also mean micro. So yeah, I think I changed it into a reaper. Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. So yeah, you should also, because that took slow, you would want to make this into an orbital, but I do this, bang, make it into a supply depot, and then bang, orbital. And now you just have to save up 400 minerals. Of course, this would be, you'd have more gas here, you'd have 110 gas, but yeah. You can see me already started queuing up. I'd start moving it over here, so as soon as it finishes, it'll move to the left. Yep. And then instantly make a command center. This Reaper will go across the map. This will finish. So, bang, it finishes. I go back to it, instantly make a SCV, and then instantly throw down a mule.
Complete.
So the mule goes down. This SCV, this Reaper comes out, and I just send it across. I don't look at it so it dies, but yeah. And then you save up 150 minerals, and then instantly start a factory. Bang.
SCV ready.
And then here, you want to save up a bit more and make a reactor. So this is the supply required. So 22. So just for a thingy, you'll see in the top left, but supply depot at 14, barracks at 16, this gas at 16, this gas at 17, and then this at 20, orbital at 20, this at I assume 20, and then this at 22, and then also this at 22. With this, you can either as soon as the reactor finishes, by the way, you want to make two marines, up to 4 marines, and you could also place a bunker up front, like around here, to defend. Just to be, you don't have to, but you need about 4 marines at least to defend. This fights, I don't look at it, and it dies. Yeah. As soon as this finishes building, I never showed you, but it turns into an orbital. Yeah, I think I stopped it right here. But this will go down into the mineral line. You'll take this worker, put it into gas. You can also take this worker and put it into gas, or you can make another SC. Well, you'll queue another SCV here. You put that into that, and then use this one into this, and then or you can. Yeah, and you can make a Stargate. Depends what you want to build, but usually people will play like bio. You can also play mech, which you can. Then you'll make this into a tech lab. But if you're gonna play a medevacs, then you make this with a reactor. I should probably show you, but I cannot be asked. Unless you want to know, and then I'll show you. But yeah, that should be it. It'll be in the top left. But yeah, enjoy the build order. Peace.